Hello, Leo. Hello, Pip. What a beautiful sunny day. Why don't we go to the beach? All right, let's get ready to go. Do you have everything you need? A towel, sunscreen, an umbrella, a camera. What else? Oh, and of course, Puggy. Right on time. Here comes the bus. We're here. What a beautiful place. Uh-oh, someone left their trash. That's not very nice. Hey, it's a whale. Looks like she found an empty water bottle in the ocean. We need to do something about all this garbage. What can we do to help? A beach cleanup. That's a great idea. It's always easier when you have friends helping. Be careful. Some trash can be dangerous to touch. Great job, you two. It's important that anything that can be recycled goes with the recycling. Good boy, Puggy. Anything that can't be recycled goes in the garbage. Now the recycling can go to a recycling center where it belongs. It's so clean! Look what can happen when everyone works together. Now let's really have some fun. A water park! Time to party! Great idea, Leo! Everybody smile! 1, 2, 3!
Hello, Pip. Your train is a wonderful way to travel, but how would you like to fly off to a faraway place? I'm excited too. Going on vacation is a great way to explore the big world around us. Let's go! Here we are at the airport. Airplanes can fly very far and take you across the ocean. This looks like a tropical island. Islands are full of animals you might not see anywhere else in the world. Why don't we take a car to our next adventure? But first, a stop at the car wash. Just a quick rinse so you can see all the beautiful things outside your window. Camping is a great way to see nature up close and all the bright stars in the sky at night. Wow, an amusement park! I see rides, games, and all kinds of interesting food. This is a great place to have fun with your friends and family. Did you two have fun visiting new places on your vacation? I'm so glad! The world is full of adventures. You just have to take a chance and explore. Are you ready for your next adventure?
Home is a place we can feel comfortable and safe. Let's find a home we can call our own. Home is a place we can feel comfortable and safe. So let's all go and take the animals home. A tropical island in the sun. The perfect habitat for the toucan. Watch the penguins play on the frozen snow. There's nowhere else they'd rather go. Home is a place we can feel comfortable and safe. Let's find a home we can call our own. Home is a place we can feel comfortable and safe. So let's all go and take the animals home. Out in the forest, we'll find the deer. And in the hot savanna, giraffes will be near. Watch the panda bite on her favorite bamboo. There's nowhere else she'd rather chew. Woo! Home is a place we can feel comfortable and safe. Let's find a home we can call our own. Home is a place we can feel comfortable and safe. So let's all go and take the animals home. Every home looks different. You can build your perfect one. The castle in the sky looks like so much fun. So much fun. Home is a place we can feel comfortable and safe. Let's find a home we can call our own. Home is a place we can feel comfortable and safe. So let's all go and take the animals home. Hi, Leo, Pip, and Puggy. Do you have everything you need to go camping at the beach? A skateboard, a guitar, and a dog bone. Don't forget our favorite beach toy, Mr. Turtle. Oh, looks like we have some extra guests coming along. Uh-oh. There goes the skateboard. And the guitar. Oh no, not Mr. Turtle. With all their stuff gone, what will Leo and Pip do for fun? a spectacular sandcastle. What else can we make together?
Hooray! Huh?
Camping is so much fun! What a fun day with some of our bestest friends. But wait, where are Radish and Pineapple? There they are! The more friends, the merrier. That was the best day ever.
Animals, do-do-do, do-do-do. Baby animals, do-do-do, do-do-do. Come with me, what can we see? Baby animals with their families. Which ones can we name? Let's play a little game. Now we're near a baby deer, so cute and friendly. There's no need to fear. A baby deer's a fun. Now let's go find some more. Animals, do-do-do, do-do-do. Baby animals, do-do-do, do-do-do. Next to see a family of panda bears and their baby, a little panda cub, joins our baby animal club. This elephant looks like it shrunk, spraying water with its baby trunk. A calf is what it's called. Now I hope that we see more. Animals, do-do-do, do-do-do. Baby animals, do-do-do, do-do-do. Animals playing in the wild, making memories. Let's build a world that cares for them, where they live happily. Yeah! Animals, do-do-game of baby animals. Baby animals, do-do-game of baby animals. Animals, do-do-game of baby animals. Baby animals.
Hi, Leo and Pip. Wait, where's Puggy? There you are. Whoa! It's a gusty, blustery, wild, and windy day. Where did all this stuff come from? Everything's a mess. Great idea, Leo and Pip. Let's put everything back where it belongs. One of these things doesn't belong here. You're right, Puggy. The wind must have blown that tractor in. But where did it come from? Ah, that's right. Tractors are usually found on a farm. Let's take it back to the farm. The wind turned the fruits and veggies into a dizzy disaster. Our farmer friend could use some help calming them down. Look, broccoli fell asleep. Oh no, the wind is picking up again. Fruits and veggies, hold on to your stems. Farmers, hold on to your hats. Everybody, just hold on. These aren't from the farm, are they? They look like little pieces that make up one big thing. All right, Pip knows what to do. We'll figure it out together. Let's build. They're wind turbines. Machines that take the wind and turn it into electricity. Ooh! What a wonderfully windy day. I wonder what amazing things we'll build next. Come back soon. Ba ba ba, beach day. Sun, sea, and sand. Beach day. Let's all lend a hand. Beach day. Beautiful weather. Let's Some things can be reused. Beach cleanups help so much. It's thanks to me and you. Wow, looking great! Everybody, let's stay and play. Sun, sea, and sand. Let's all lend a hand. Beautiful weather, let's clean up together. Ready to play on our beach day. Sun, sea, and sand. Beach day.
Hello, Pip. Hello, Leo. Hello, Hopsy. Excited to show your friend Ben the beautiful wildlife garden? Isn't this place wonderful? Oh no, that little bird's falling. Oh, great catch, Ben. That was close. Wait, where's the bird going? It needs to get back to its nest. That's not the bird. It's a butterfly. I wonder what other types of wildlife are nearby. There's the little bird. Time to take you back to your nest. The little bird's nest is so high up. Building a tower should help us reach it. 1, 2, 3, 4. The tower's not tall enough. Let's keep going with one more brick. And 5! There! Now we can reach the nest. Great job, everyone! The bird is back home, safe and sound because you kept trying and built the tower. Way to go!